As a Hilton Honors member, this can become your room key.
And your gym key, and your elevator key.
Exactly right. Hey, this is Hilton Honors How-To, where we answer every question you have about Hilton Honors. And today, we're gonna talk about how to use and share your digital key.
Just so we're on the same page, digital key is the key you access in your Hilton Honors app once you've checked in and your room is ready?
Precisely. It'll unlock any door you'd normally have access to with a key card. So think your room door, the elevator, gym, pool, parking garage, and oh, you get it.
I do get it, and I literally always have my phone with me, which means I'll always have my key with me.
Now, after your digital check-in, and once your room is ready, you'll get a notification on your phone saying that your key has been delivered.
So once the key is delivered, do I just wave my phone at the door?
Oh, okay, you know what? That is a great question. And it's super simple. All you have to do is make sure your Hilton Honors app is open, and when you're within range of the lock, you'll be prompted on the app to tap to unlock, and then voila, you're in the door, baby.
That's great. I love that I won't have to triple check that I have my key with me all the time. Didn't you mention something about sharing the room key?
Oh, yeah, you know what? I did mention that. During your stay, just tap Share Your Key and Send Invite. They'll get an invite in a text or an email.
That's great, and it's just another way to make my stay even more seamless.
That's what it's all about. Did you know that you can earn points during your stay? Click on that video to learn more and make sure to subscribe to Hilton's YouTube channel for more tips.